here and there and everything. This is time for us to build trust among ourselves, believe that we are one, and we can save this country. Countries are survived by population. This is time to remove our division. We have all tried, we voted religion. Let's vote competence. It is time to go. Let's vote capacity and competence and everything. Let's make this work. It can work. There's people who, let's hold our leaders responsible. This how you claim is about 600,000 square kilometers. The entire north is about 20% more than Ukraine. And they are one that do not Ukraine to support us for nothing. And people accepted Ukraine. When the entire north can support Ukraine, we cannot continue that. It is unfair to us. Like I said before, Bangladesh produces about 50 to 60 million tons of rice. Nigeria cannot produce 10% of that. The entire Nigeria is 6 times the size of Bangladesh. They are 148, we are 900 and something. You can go on and on. Small states like Vietnam that came out of war can feed itself and export food. 5 states of the north, Vietnam is 300,000. 5 states of the north, Naija, Borno, Taraba, Kaduna, and Bauchi in the north. I maintain, and I still maintain, the insecurity in Nigeria, especially in the north, rests on poverty. The rest of all that has been mentioned and everything. I've been in the financial industry for years. And I can tell everybody this, you can go and verify this in this country. I was in the financial industry. When you look for cash, you go to Kano. You don't look for cash another place. Kano was #1 place for cash. Because then we had all the factories in Bombay, in Sharadangwa, in Sharanti. Go to Kano today, those industries are not there. Go to Kaduna, there's no industry. There's no industry again in Kaduna. We used to put Kaduna Trade Fair 2 years for it to get the space. Today nobody goes there. We used to go to Medugri for cash. Today nobody goes there. That is the poverty. And when you have poverty, you have criminality that you cannot control. Because when people don't know where the next thing will come from, you can never control your action. And they're easy recruit. But in all these, it all rests squarely on governance, on government to solve. And I've always said, the North can change Nigeria. The greatest aspect of this country is in the North. We can make more money, I say it every year, we can make more money for farm agriculture than we make for oil. And I'm starting to prove in everything. This entire country produces less than 6 million tons of rice. That is less than 10% of all Bangladesh. Bangladesh produces about 50 to 60 million tons of rice. Nigeria cannot produce 10% of that. The entire Nigeria is 6 times the size of Bangladesh. They are 148, they are 900 and something. You can go on and on. Small states like Vietnam that came out of war can see themselves as responsible. 5 states of the north, Vietnam is 300,000. 5 states of the north, Naija, Borno, Taraba, Kaduna, and Bauchi is about 300,000 square kilometers. That's what Vietnam is. And today Vietnam does 10 times our export. But the things that can drive it, and it is doable, and this is something you can see